Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is Guru Nanak Dev. So let's talk about him. Guru Nanak, born as Nanak on 15th April 1469 to 22 September 1539, also referred to Baba Nanak, was the founder of Sikhism and is the first of the 10 Sikh Guru. His birthday is celebrated worldwide as Guru Nanak Parv and Katak Purnamashi, full moon of Katak, October and November. Nanak is said to have traveled far and wide across Asia, teaching people the message of Ik Onkar, one God, who dwell in every one of his creation and constitution, the eternal truth. With the concept, he would set up a unique spiritual, social, and political platform based on equality, fraternal love, goodness, and virtues. Young Nanak was very unusual child. He never cried and not even when he was hungry. He always had a radiant smile on his face. As he grew older, he did not grow up like other children of his age. When Guru Nanak was 7 years of age, his father decided to send him to school. Although there are many stories telling of his divine potentiality of young Nanak, his name, teaching, and realization are said to have begun when he reached at the age of 30 or around 1499. It is to be noted that Guru Nanak Dev was married to Mata Sulekhani, daughter of Mool Chand Chona Khatri of Batala in 1487 at the Batala. The ceremony were grand affair as Sulekhani was daughter of a revenue official. So let's talk about facts. Number 1. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born to father Mehta Kalu Ji and Mata Tripata Ji, Talwandi, Nanaka Sahib, present day Pakistan. He was the second child and had an elder sister, Bebe Nanki. Number 2. From a very young age, he enjoyed the company of holy men and engaged with them in talk of religion or nature of God. Number 3. An interesting fact about Guru Nanak Dev that he refused to wear the sacred thread of Janu, saying instead that he would hold God in his heart for his protection. He offered the reason that thread could be broken or soiled, but the name of God in the heart will always be there with him. Number 4. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, his father, enrolled his name in school at the age of 7. As a child, he astonished his teacher by explaining the symbolism of the first letter of alphabet in Parsi and Arabic. It is the strategic stroke resembling the mathematical version of 1. He described it as denoting the unity or oneness of God. Number 5. It is unknown fact that Guru Nanak Dev that a Guru Dwara named was Sacha Sauda is built at the place where he used to feed the poor. He was 12 years old when his father gave him 25 rupees to do a business. Guru Nanak Dev Ji went and brought food for all that money and distributed to the saint and the needy. When his father asked about the business, he said he had done true business. Number 6. It is lesser known that fact Guru Nanak Dev that he laid the foundation of Sikhism in 15th century. His teaching can be founded in the Sikh scriptures. Guru Granth Sahib written like verses in Gurumukhi and can be practiced in three ways. Vand Chakra, sharing with others, helping those with less who are in need. Kirat Karna, earning, making, living honesty without exploitation or fraud. Naam Japna, chanting the holy name and thus remembering God at all time. So kids, tell me, what is the another name of Guru Nanak Dev? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the Guru Nanak Dev Ji. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.